Sorry.
I think I'm gonna go for the turbo teriyaki. And what are you gonna get, Gary?
Whew, Shrek, did you do that? Man, you gotta warn somebody before you just crack one off. My mouth was open and everything.
Believe me, donkey, if it was me, you'd be dead. It's brimstone. We must be getting close.
Yeah, right, brimstone. Don't be talking about it's the brimstone. I know what I smell, and there wasn't no brimstone. Didn't come off no stone either.